All right. Yeah. So I'm just testing here, checking out my audio, ensure that my audio quality is good. All right, guys. So today is Saturday, the 29th of October. And I'm here trading the VIX, that's the volatility index. As you guys can see, my chart is already analyzed, color coded. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just proving to myself, this is a series, proving to myself that one, I know what I'm doing. And two, the fact that having knowledge without discipline equals failure. You understand? So pretty much what you guys can see, it's a volatility index. All right, so just to give you guys an heads up, I've already done the market structure. I've already identified the liquidity in the market as well. As you can see in this area here, there's liquidity here from a H1 standpoint, and then there's a 4-hour liquidity right here. So this is called imbalance in the market. You understand? And as you can see, price came down here to grab this liquidity and is now looking to be going back up after this reaction. Well, it could come all the way down here as well. You know what I'm saying? But this is like the first. So 1 and 2 is like the two areas. So what I did was, one, I entered a long position right here. Let me zoom out. I entered a long position right there. All right, potential. Okay, of course, in this case here, I'm gonna put it right here. This could be like my stop loss right here, right below the liquidity area. All right, and target to the top here. So this would be a 1.5. And then I entered, of course, a second position here, utilizing the same stop loss right here, right below the pool of liquidity here, targeting the same target. All right, and this is now 3-1. So what I'm saying is that in trading, at times, you enter a trade right here at structure, price breaks below. If you think about it, if we should think about it, and this is where I believe the psychology of trading comes in, is not that we don't know what we're doing, it's just that, the game is played on a higher level, so we can expect these things to happen. Remember, they are the ones who provide the education to us. All right, 1 second, guys. I need to adjust this a little bit sharper. Right. So basically, what I'm saying is that hope you guys see why I'm doing this. Am I just on this to this? Okay, yeah, it's good. It's good. All right. So as you can see here in this chart here, guys, we can see where. And when I say, guys, I'm not to be gender biased or anything, but as you can see here, this area here, a lot of wicks, and wicks don't lie. So we have wicks right here, we have wicks right here, we have wicks right here. Okay, and we have this wick right here. Okay, so this tells us what? That there are buyers, willing buyers in this area. All right, so if you think about it, since there are willing buyers here at this 1-hour structure, where would their stop loss be? And for those who are buying there, more than likely, their stop loss would be within this area here. All right, so within this area is where the liquidity lies. So everyone who is buying here and here and here and here, their stop loss is pretty much beneath here. So there's a pool of liquidity here, guys. And that's what the big banks actually target. All right, that's what the algorithms actually target, to be more specific, because you have algorithms that seek stop losses. That's one way of thinking about it. And another way of thinking about it is just to be different, is just to be smart about what you're doing, understanding what conventional training teaches us. And pretty much, we just need to invest in our education and also think differently to get different results. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely going to show you guys screenshots of these entries here that I have. I'll be posting it as well. Well, you'll see it in the video. I'm gonna definitely splice it in. All right, guys. So pretty much, again, this is Freelance and Averon's journey into being disciplined. I'm actually being honest with myself, and the honesty, guys, is that I am not disciplined. I at times I'm impatient. At times I don't manage my trades well. You know what I'm saying? So, on this channel here, you'll get a lot of value. And I'm just being honest with you all, showing you all my flaws. And in so doing, I know that I will, because you see, within myself, I'm a team player at heart. You understand? And, documentation beats conversation. So this is just me documenting my trade ideas, my trade setups for myself, being able to see the before, the after, and then having the content to reflect on first for myself. But I am putting it out because you have others out there who might be experiencing similar situations that I'm experiencing. And we are able to interact with each other. You guys can definitely make your comments, make your comments, like the video if it offers content, and ask me any questions that you guys want to ask me. I'm saying, like, this is all about honesty, and I like to teach individuals how to fish rather than to fish for them. Coming up, I've tried, I've traded for persons before, and it comes with an immense mental pressure, which I think also affects my trading, because I feel pressured to deliver and all that stuff. So I said to myself, you know what, growing up, I always hear, so I say, you know what, let me not do that anymore, but rather let me record my content, record that which I'm doing on my charts and my trades, and let me post it, and let's see what happened. Because again, this is documentation for myself first and foremost. Secondly, this is just me being honest about my trading journey. And if you all enjoy it, then that's good. If you guys find value in the content, then that's great. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be doing this like throughout. So for volatility index 75, yeah, I'm looking to buy this market long term. This is like a swing trade type of vibe, because it's coming from a daily level. I got in from here, and I'm looking to take VIX all the way up to here. All right, so pretty much that's my analysis on volatility index 75, VIX. All right, and you all know, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, guys. It's all about content delivery. I'm all about educating everyone, because not everyone, but for those who wish to be educated, guys, because it's an opportunity. It's a skill set. No one is born to do this. You just learn, you apply, and with discipline, what I'm saying, and you shall be rewarded. You shall see the results. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for now. So keep your eyes on VIX 75, and we are buying this market up. All right. I thank you all.